going to talk about the Concerto No.3 by Seitz. The hardest part is the second page at measure 40 without the metronome first, just to hear the pitch, arpeggios. Just that measure alone, you want to pay attention to shift to the A, but hold it down. Do an exercise. So the connection between the A to E flat, you just need to hear that diminished seventh chord. We're going to do one more time. As you can see, I'm doing completely separate bow. All right, just to work on the pitch. Once you get that, you want to do is with the metronome every other note. Okay, ready, go. Now the next line. Now we can do the click every other note. Eventually what you need to do is now the next section, you have a lot of rows. The first step to do is again, separate bow. You could also do is playing a chord. With the fingering, because you have to make sure the C sharp and G, they're really tight together. The C sharp is almost above the second finger. The key to this part is you hold all the fingers down. So I'll do the entire section, okay? So it's like eventually this is a 46. So these chords, I would make sure you move a lot of your bow to get a real pretty sound. Slowly using a lot of bow, but when you play in the real performance speed, you still have to move your bow in very quick bow speed.